you ever called a locksmith? If you have, then you'll know that it can be very expensive. On average, a professional locksmith will charge between £50 and £150 to change a lock. To change all of your locks, you could be paying between £100 and £500, depending on the quantity and type of locks you require, and also the company which you call. This course is designed to give you the knowledge and teach you the skills required to change the most common locks in your home, and it could save you hundreds of pounds in the process. The trainer of this course has been training as a professional locksmith for over 10 years and has changed thousands of locks during his career. As the name suggests, this is an online locksmith course. You won't need to book any time off work to attend, and you won't walk away from the course and think, I can't remember how we did that. The course is online, which means that you will have unlimited access to the training material. The training course is broken down into sections. Each section has a professionally filmed video showing you how to carry out each task. You can watch the video, try out your skills, and then watch the video again if you need more help. During the training, you'll learn about the type of locks that you may have. Also the type of locks that you should have to make sure that your home is protected and insured. This includes details about anti-snap locks and which ones to buy. You'll be shown how to measure your lock and also how to make sure that you purchase the correct lock at an affordable price. Plus, you'll be shown how to remove your old locks and fit your new ones correctly so that your home is secure. And as a special bonus item, our trainer will also teach you how to adjust a uPVC door. uPVC doors are prone to movement, especially in hot weather. This movement can make it difficult to close or lock your door. This will teach you how to adjust your door so that this problem will go away. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video today. If you'd like to view our other training videos, please visit our YouTube channel or visit our website, which is traintobealocksmithonline.com. Thank you.